In restaurants, freshness isn't negotiable, it's required. Every delivery, every prep step, and every plate depends on one thing: the cold chain. For years, restaurants have relied on paper logs to track cold holding. But logs are easily skipped, misread, or filled in after the fact. Missed entries create compliance risks, wasted time, and gaps that inspectors can't overlook. That's where Enerlon comes in. At the core of Enerlon's cold chain protection is powerful monitoring technology. Our IoT-enabled wireless sensors track temperature, humidity, and equipment performance in real time without relying on Wi-Fi or an IT infrastructure. If something goes wrong, 24/7 mobile alerts are sent to your team's phones so immediate action can be taken. Custom dashboards give you total visibility across sites and equipment. Partnering with Enerlon will help protect every link in your cold chain and preserve every bite. Call today for your free assessment at 888-363-7566.